Second, English chapter number 11, One Sunday. Here we are talking about one boy. His name is Tom. Okay, so I will explain this chapter and I start from beginning. It was Sunday. The boy played in the sun. Means it was the time of Sunday and the boys played in the sunlight. Only Tom sat alone. Means some boys are there and friends are there, and from there all are playing in the sun. So from that, one boy name is Tom. He is not playing, he is sitting alone. And Polly had told Tom to paint the fence. All are playing, but Tom is not doing anything. So and Polly said that you have to paint the fence. She gave him a bucket full of paint and a long brush. You can see bucket of paint and one long brush is also in his hand. Okay. Tom took the bucket and brush and looked at the fence sadly. Means he don't have to paint the fence even. And Polly given him brush and bucket of paint. So Tom took that bucket and brush and looked at the fence sadly. It was long and high. You can see it is long and it is high also. He picked up the brush and painted a small part of the fence. So you can see in the picture that he take that brush but he paint a small part of the fence. Then he said to himself, I must think of a way to get out of this. So afterwards he is thinking that how he will get out of this work, because he don't like to paint the fence, but Aunt Polly has given him work to complete that fence, right? As Tom thought this, he saw Ben Roger, one of his friend, come. Ben ran and jumped with an apple in his hand. See, as Tom thought he saw Ben Roger. Ben Roger his friend, one of his friend, and come Ben ran and jumped with an apple in his hand. Now Tom was a clever boy, so he thought of an idea. He picked up the brush and started his work again. So when he saw that Ben Roger is coming, so what he had done, Tom is a clever boy. So as he is coming, he had started to paint the fence. Ben looked at Tom in surprise. He asked, Tom, what are you doing? Tom did not answer. He pretended to be busy. Pretended means they are showing that he is busy in his work. And Ben spoke again. I am going for a swim, but you can't join me. You are working. So his friend Ben Roger was going for swimming, but Tom is a clever boy. So what he had done, he is just pretending like that he is busy in his work. So Ben Roger said that he is going for swimming. So you just do your work, Tom. We are going. Tom answered angrily, working? Painting the fence is so much fun. I don't want to go anywhere. So as Ben Roger is telling that we are going for swimming, but Tom is clever boy, so he is giving answer angrily that working, painting the fence is so much fun. I am not working, but I am doing fun. I don't want to go anywhere. Means he don't want to go anywhere. Who don't want to go? Tom don't want to go anywhere. Just he is pretending like that he don't want to go anywhere. Okay. So Ben really thought painting the fence was fun. He said, Tom, please let me paint the fence. So now you see that Tom is clever boy, so he pretend like that, and now Ben thought that painting the fence is fun. So he said to Tom that you please give me the paint, so I want to paint the fence. Tom said, no Ben, I can't let you paint the fence. I love doing it. Then also he is pretending like that he likes to paint the fence and it is a fun. And when Tom said that you give me at that time, he is not giving and he is just pretending that he loved doing this work. Ben thought after the fun and said again, "Please, Tom, I am your best friend." He saw Tom look at his apple. So, when Ben was telling to his friend that you please give me, I am your best friend. So, at that time, Tom looked at his apple. So, he said means Ben said, "Tom, I give you this apple as a gift. Now, can I paint the fence?" See now that Ben has given apple to the Tom. So, Tom is giving him that paintbrush to paint the fence. So, on Ben is giving apple to Tom. Now, Tom thought for some time and said, "Well, Ben, you are a friend. I give you this brush. Are you happy now?" So now he is taking an apple, and instead of that he is giving. Instead means on when his friend is giving apple to Tom, so Tom is giving brush or paint to his friend Ben. And now Ben is doing paint on that. You can see the boundary, right? "I give you brush. Are you happy now?" Tom sat on the shade and ate the apple. Soon two boys walked by. Means as he is eating apple under the shade of the tree. So after that, soon two boys are walked by. They saw Ben at work. He looked happy. Now they also wanted to paint the fence. Now two boy another came. So he also both they wants to paint the fence. So they asked Tom, "Can we paint the fence?" Tom said, "You see, painting the fence is so much fun. I am waiting for Ben to give me the brush." Now you see that here Ben is painting, but even that two boys are coming and telling him that, "Will you give paint for the fence?" Then Tom said that painting the fence is so much fun and waiting for brush, which Tom given to the Ben. The boys told Tom that they had some marbles and a kite. So now that two boys are telling to the Tom that what they have, some marbles they have and kites also, kite is also there. So they wanted to give these things to Tom. So that two boys are telling that we will give you these marbles and kite, and you give me that paint to paint the fence. Tom thought for a long time and asked Ben to give the brush to one of the boys. One by one, the boys painted the fence. Soon the fence was white and clean, and Tom had an apple, marble, and kite. So afterwards, Tom is telling to that Ben that you please give that brush to these two boys, and all of them had paint that fence one by one and make that white and clean. And after that, Tom get an apple from that Ben and marbles and a kite from that two boy. Aunt Polly come out of the house. She looked at the fence and said, "Well, the fence is white and clean. You are good boy, Tom." So now she is telling to Tom that you are good boy, but she don't know that that work is not done by Tom, but who had done? His friends had done that work, right? You have worked hard. What Aunt Polly is telling that you have worked hard. She gave Tom an apple as a reward. Now see, Aunt Polly also given one apple to Tom. Tom was happy now. He ran to play with his friend. So in last, Aunt Polly is giving apple, and then after Tom run away, means run to play with his friend, and now Tom is happy. So here chapter ends, and I will show you exercise of this chapter in the next video.